Qualityze, the innovation leader in the world of quality. Are you seeing the same issue or defect being repeatedly reported? This can indicate your corrective action and preventive action CAPA process is not effective in identifying the actual root cause, which is the goal for product quality. The question is, why is your CAPA process not quickly leading you to determine the root cause? Are you collecting the required inputs from all possible sources? And what are all the contributing sources, nonconformances, customer complaints, audit findings, supplier issues? Statistically, an ineffective CAPA process is one of the biggest problems for organizations. Do you know a well-defined compliant CAPA process enables organizations to unleash the power of continuous improvement without repeating the same defects? In fact, CAPA is referred as the immune system of the quality management process. Qualityze CAPA management puts you in control of managing your CAPA processes while easily and efficiently monitoring and tracking all ongoing activities. With the Qualityze CAPA management, you can leverage the benefits of closed-loop workflow processes while enforcing the deeming circle best practice of plan, do, check, act. Qualityze CAPA management allows you to document the problem, plan the resolution activity, investigate, determine the root cause, and perform risk assessments, implement the action plans, perform verification and effectiveness checks, and resolve quality issues. Through its intuitive and configurable interface, Qualityze CAPA management software helps streamline, standardize, and automate the implementation of CAPA process across your organization. While analytics and reporting tools contribute to continuous improvements by offering detailed data, trends, and insights. Qualityze is built upon the world's most secure and reliable platform, Salesforce.com, which enables your quality teams to manage end-to-end quality from anywhere around the globe. It also comprises the features like alerts, notifications, electronic signature, audit trails, reports, and dashboards. All you need is a Qualityze user license and you are ready to go. You are just a click away from experiencing Qualityze. Click on the Request Demo button. For more information, you can call us on 1-877-207-8616 or email at info@qualityze.com and our customer success team will be right there for you. Get Qualityze to transform your QMS into a quality decision-making engine. Qualityze, the innovation leader in the world of quality.